which one. In this video, let's see how you can download any previous version of Xcode that you guys want to use. uh, for me, I need to use Xcode 15.2 because I am currently running on macOS 13.5. So using Xcode 16 is not feasible because I don't want to upgrade into macOS 14.5 or later anytime soon. Okay, so if you just try to download it from App Store, you might want to search App Store and search for Xcode, which I've already done. So if we actually go and see the requirements for downloading Xcode 16, it is macOS 14.5 or later. So you might not want to update into macOS 14.5 or later, so you want to use a previous version of Xcode. But here in App Store only, the latest version is always available, that is the Xcode 16. So one of the other options to consider is to download from their website. So if you just go and search Xcode, you might search Xcode 15. Okay, so if you just search Xcode and if you try to download Xcode, it's not available. You it will just show you Xcode, and if you try to download it from the website, it always takes you to Apple developer website. So I go to download Xcode and it takes me to Apple developer website. So you need to log in here. Okay, so I have already logged in on my Safari. Okay, so once you log in, this is the page you see, and here it shows a bunch of stuffs that you guys can download. And here there is macOS 15, is there Xcode. There is no Xcode mentioned here. Okay, so if you guys want to download Xcode or any previous version of Xcode that is required, all you guys need to do is go to more here once you sign in your Apple account in this developer website. Okay, so just click on more. It's taking some time for some stupid reasons, but not sure what's happening here. Yes. Okay, so once you go here, you can just search Xcode 15.2 and see, this is Xcode 15.2, and you can click on the download options, and that is how you download any previous version of Xcode that is required. There is one other way how you guys can actually download, and that is you can type something like xcode releases.com. Okay, so this is one another website, but this does not say Apple anywhere, so this might not be Apple's website. This might be someone else who is just maintaining a repo where they are just adding all the versions of Xcode. So I recommend downloading from here. Okay, thank you.